Well, hello, luminaries. Here I am again with another download. It's so exciting to just allow the Spirit to work through you. Not too long ago, I was afraid of expressing. I was afraid of not being perfect or someone disagreeing with what I had to say. But now I am no longer in that place. I recognize that everyone has something that they need to bring to the world. And I have a platform and I get to do that. And I think that everybody has the opportunity to do the same if they want to. So that if someone is offended, we have to recognize that folks are always going to get offended. Someone is going to be offended by anything that you have to say. But nothing that I say is intended to hurt, embarrass, or to put anybody off or to judge. My purpose here is to support people in developing who they really are. When we have a world where people are free to express and to be and to demonstrate, and are not limited by the idea of lack and limitation and being stifled and smothered from being who they are, it'll be a better place. I think in a world that way, we will eradicate disease, we'll eradicate poverty, we will eradicate greed and jealousy and envy, and people doing harm to one another because they don't feel that there's enough. It's not enough of any kind of a resource, of love, of money, of whatever it is that people are coveting or feeling like they need more of. I think that when we can express ourselves with confidence and with joy, then we'll be all right. But when you have that privilege of expressing, we must also give everyone else the right to do that. So when you become offended by what someone else has said, it's time to take a look within and not point a finger at the individual for offending you. Because you have a right. And you want to have the right to express yourself as you desire to, as long as you're not harming anyone else or setting out to damage someone else. You want to have the right to express freely. But you must give that right to others as well. And so when they are expressing freely and you become offended, it's time to look within. We are all raised under different circumstances with different belief systems. We've been hurt in different ways. We've been educated in different ways. We have different religions. We have different life experiences because of our sex, our gender, our race, our religion, where we grew up. It doesn't matter. We're all very different. But when we can sit down and listen to someone else's experience, someone else's idea or perspective without becoming offended, we can begin to open our hearts and learn. We can get that other people may have been through some experiences that were not beautiful. People may have been hurt. People may have been handed prejudice as a defense mechanism. We really don't know. So the thing is that when you get offended, don't put yourself through that pain. What someone else holds as an opinion doesn't have anything to do with you. That's just their opinion. But you learn something. When opinion is hurtful, then you know that they're speaking from a place of pain. When the opinion is just honest, it's about a preference. That's all it is. It's just them voicing their opinion. You want the freedom to voice your opinion, don't you? So why would you thwart anyone else's? And that's my download for today. Peace and blessings, and I thank you so much for listening. Take good care.